Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Inventions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Lockdown has been very hard on us, and I think the perfect way to detoxify yourself is to do a skincare at home. So I got my hands on this really cool skincare kit from E Mega Mart. So this has 5 products starting from a face wash and ending at a sunscreen. So let's get into the product details as well as demo step by step. As there are 5 products, so there are 5 cards in this which actually tell you the details of the products and the ingredients and everything and the benefits. So that will be easier for you to decipher and use these, but still anyways I'll tell you the details and I'll show you the demo. So let's get started with the first product, and this is the Ethiglow face wash. This is a skin whitening deep cleaning facial foam, and this 70 gram of face wash retails for 250 rupees. This has vitamin C, this has panthenol, and panthenol is a provitamin of B5, and panthenol actually helps in moisturizing your skin. If you have dry patchy skin, panthenol will really help in soothing your skin, and it adds a nice glow. And also it's my personal experience, like I have personally seen that panthenol actually makes your skin bright. It removes blemishes, that is true, because it's my personal experience with panthenol. It really works very well on skin. So let's get into a demo of this face wash real quick. This is the second step, and this is the hyaluronic gel known as Hyalugel. This 30 grams of tube retails for 250 rupees, and hyaluronic acid is one of the most commonly used ingredient in nowadays skincare, because hyaluronic acid has many benefits. It actually softens your skin, it kind of evens out your skin tone, and if you're looking for something to get rid of your wrinkles, hyaluronic acid is one of the best things you can get your hands on. I don't know why I find it a little difficult to say hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, yeah, I find it a little difficult. It's like a tongue twister for me. Only this word is a tongue twister for me. Okay, you have to apply this gel on your face, and you have to rub it in a circular motion so that this gel completely penetrates into your skin. Let's see how you have to apply this gel on your face. After applying this Hyalu gel on your face, you're not supposed to remove it, and the third step is this, using this Chocolite face and body scrub. This 100 grams of tube retails for 449 rupees, and this is, as I told you, face and body scrub. I'm again saying, you are not supposed to remove that gel from your face. You're supposed to apply the scrub over the gel, because as the gel has hyaluronic acid, once you use a scrubber to on that gel, the hyaluronic acid will get a better chance to penetrate inside your skin, thus giving proper results. Yeah, so this is the chocolate scrub. As you can see, the granules are not very soft, they are not very hard, they're somewhere in the middle, and I think these granules will do a great job in removing blackheads and everything. I think the fragrance is exactly like chocolate, like smells like dairy milk chocolate. So smell wise this is very good, fragrance wise this is very good. So let's see a quick demo of this. This is the fourth step, and this is the lip balm. And this 9 grams of lip balm retails for 99 rupees, 100 rupees I guess. And this soothes, heals, rehydrates, and also, you know, summer is the time when actually we have very dry lips, because as it is we are sweating, our body is losing water, and sometimes we forget to drink water to compensate with the loss, and the first sign of dehydration comes on your lips feel and look very dry. So dry lips are very common in during summers, during winters also, but summers also is very common. So yes, so this is paraben free, not to forget. And yeah, this has no fragrance, no color, as you can see. There's no fragrance and no color. I think this has no fragrance. I hope this has no fragrance. Alright, so let's see a demo of this as well. So this is the last step, and this is a Z Block sunscreen, and this is a zinc oxide sunscreen gel. This 50 ml of sunscreen retails for 699 rupees, and this has zinc oxide, and this is like a sunscreen gel. Okay, this says this is non-opaque, ultra light and velvety feel. Sunscreen is by far one of the best things I have ever seen, because the texture of this is so light. There are some very good benefits of this sunscreen, which includes that you can use this sunscreen as a primer. Also, there is no white cast. This is water resistant and no downtime. This is PA+++, broad spectrum, and critical wavelength is 370. This is water resistant, dermatologically tested. Also, this is paraben free. Let's see a quick demo of this as well. So these are the 5 skincare products which you can use on your skin to get best results, and using these 5 products can give you a nice glowy skin tone. It will brighten your skin, whiten your skin, and also will get rid of blemishes, fine lines and everything. Make sure to use these products the way I told you, because that is the proper step to do it. And yeah, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time. It's been another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.